Welcome back to another video, guys. And today I am gonna be go lagi Dre. Gabidyo lagi ko. So today we're gonna be testing ult ni Aldos kaming duwa mag-ult to see what happens. Or dili ta ma-ult. Wami kabalo, guys. So skip me abot mig level 4. So mga Rico's Andre puro dili ra ko. Ay naman ko'y demon ay mana boots. Crazy mana boots. Nakalimot ka sa mana boots? Nagmuna. Okay, so today, guys, we will be testing it. I have thrown in a lot of games. Like Roblox, everything. Yeah, like everything. But except one, Among Us. Yeah, I'm gonna post Among Us like today. I don't know. Boom, patay. We'll go. Okay. Atong i-test. Go. Okay. So today, guys, we will be doing it. Or maybe 2, 1, go! Uy! Same time, guys. Waraman? Na. Yan ako si Andre. Ayan, pati na yung minions. Pati dun. So that should be it for today, guys. Bye-bye. We will record another video on a different game this time. So bye!